Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in a clean environment and you act deliberately. Clear a table, wash hands, and power off the watch. Once done, remove the band so the edges are exposed and use the alcohol wipe to dissolve oils. Follow with the dry cloth to remove residue. Make sure to use the dust sticker to lift any remaining particles. Hold the screen protector by the edges and align it roughly over the display before attempting final placement. Now you focus on precise alignment, because once adhesive touches, repositioning is risky. Align the protector's cutouts to the sensor and case edges, using the watch bezel as a guide. Make a light hinge on one side and lower the opposite edge slowly. As the adhesive contacts glass, press gently from the center outward to spread adhesion and move trapped air toward the edges. Take your time. Small, deliberate motions reduce bubbles and misalignment. Finish by smoothing the protector and confirming full adhesion. Use a soft card or included squeegee to push remaining bubbles outward until they vanish. If you spot a speck of dust under the edge, lift the protector slowly just enough to expose the speck, dab it with the dust sticker, and lay the protector down again. This prevents air pockets. Make sure touch and sensors work, and wait 24 hours before submerging the watch to ensure the adhesive sets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.